Using module subprocess with timeout. Here's the Python code to run an arbitrary command returning its stout data, or raise an exception on non-zero exit codes. Communicate is used to wait for the process to exit. The subprocess module does not support timeout ability to kill a process running for more than X number of seconds, therefore, communicate may take forever to run. What is the simplest way to implement timeouts in a Python program meant to run on Windows and Linux?
In Python 3.3+. Output is a byte string that contains commands merged out, stir data. Check_output raises calet process error on non-zero exit status as specified in the question's text, unlike proc.communicate method. I've removed shell equals true because it is often used unnecessarily. You can always add it back if CMD indeed requires it. If you add shell equals true, i.e., if the child process spawns its own descendants, check_output can return much later than the timeout indicates, see subprocess timeout failure. The timeout feature is available on Python 2.x via the subprocess 32 backport of the 3.2+ subprocess module.
I don't know much about the low-level details, but, given that in Python 2.6 the API offers the ability to wait for threads and terminate processes, what about running the process in a separate thread? The output of this snippet in my machine is where it can be seen that, in the first execution, the process finished correctly, return code 0, while in the second one the process was terminated, return code -15. I haven't tested in Windows, but, aside from updating the example command, I think it should work since I haven't found in the documentation anything that says that thread.join or process.terminate is not supported.
Cholato's answer can be simplified using the threading.timer class.
If you're on Unix.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.